My name is Jolyon Carroll. I'm a senior research specialist in biomechanics at Autoliv. There are some current trends going on within wearable protection, personal protective equipment, whether it's clothing or helmets. Most of the time it seems as though those things improve styling and desirability. We want to look like our sporting heroes when we're out riding. That's not to play down the importance of safety innovations. We see helmet manufacturers taking on responsibilities to protect the brain, looking at rotational motion in helmet testing. So there's important evolutions all the time, but it feels to me like it's more evolution rather than revolution. With future concepts in personal protective equipment, then we can really try and address things that we haven't looked at before. Now, that might be encouraging people to wear something that they otherwise wouldn't have worn. It might be that we can really target an injury where we see it leading to long-term consequences. This is the power of the IMPROVA project, in that we can focus in perhaps protecting something that we've never protected before. Within the IMPROVA project, we're not focusing in huge detail on coming up with new personal protective equipment designs. We build on former European research projects that have looked at that, for instance, Pioneers project. But we do ask through a survey and a questionnaire, what are the barriers to using PPE more? And from that, we hope to gain real insights into how we can increase use of PPE across our riders in Europe. The scope of motorcycle protection in the IMPROVA project is really the on-bike aspects, so in-vehicle technology. And there we look at what technology in the bike can really do with those injuries, those new prioritized injuries that lead to long-term consequences. Honestly, we don't know how big the issue is with long-term consequences due to motorcycle crashes and injuries. That's one of the most important things that will come out of the IMPROVA project. We have some idea where the common injuries occur, but we really don't know that link to the long-term consequences. I think that a safety system supplier like Autoliv can really participate in two ways towards long-term consequences. One is that we can engage with research, development and engineering to push new concepts from the research project all the way into engineering. And then the second side, it comes that we are able to really push scale to these things. So if you see that the concept needs to be taken to the market, then Autoliv can really make it in big numbers and get it to the people who need it.